All right, so today's the 16th. These are recyclable bottles. Red bag goes back to my sister. I've got more things to go to her. That will be the bathroom cabinet soon, but there I'm down to a few things left to bring to my craft room. There's some more stuff I got to sort through up there, fabric and whatnot. Got a couple of boxes in my husband's office, most of which are empty organizing stuff, but I do have a few crafty boxes to go through, and that's a big bag of curtains I've got to give to my sister-in-law. And we purchased a 3D printer. Got to get that set up. In this corner, I've got more boxes to go to the crafty room. The craft room. The crafty room. So I need to open those. And as we come through, so there's our mountain of boxes that I've been having, and clean laundry, got to get that upstairs, but the mountain of boxes I have to tear up. And then as we come through, we are slowly whittling down. There's a bin that's going to go to my sister's. This is my sister's. She hasn't taken it yet. All that needs to be sorted through. Got rid of that huge pile of, I don't know, my sister calls it fodder. It was papers and stuff like that that we will use for junk journals and whatnot. Haven't touched this pile yet. Working on it. A lot of empties here that I have for sorting and organizing. And then my furniture finally, I got furniture in. Got the last piece put together last night and started utilizing them. So as you come into my craft room, pardon the light, this is what you see. And swing around this way. Working on all that. Got a ton of stuff going on. So just to let you know, my contractor is coming sometime either today or next week to figure out if that's just, I don't think it's structural, but he's gonna check it out anyway. My new little collection of critters. A box of all wooden stuff that I'm going to be painting. I have baked paper down there that I did a long time ago. And just a whole bunch of stuff I need to sort. My sister got this at Reuse, a thrift shop here with the plates and everything. Yeah, it's, you know, here's what it looks like outside today. It's all snowy and pretty. So there's my filming area. Just got that finished setting up. I got one cord left I've got to manage to get a hold of. We're working on these drawers. My niece and I have been working on those drawers. Got another light there, which I got to set up for filming. Did my little rolly cart so my pencils can be near me. I gotta organize more. And that's the other thing, there's a whole section that has nothing in it. Oop, right through there. And several of these drawers have nothing in it. Tools on this side. I have a shelf, a wire shelf to go up there. And then you saw one in the hallway that I'm going to put in the room itself. I have a jackalope here. I have different things. I don't know how I'm going to set everything up. So these are watercolor, the Zig Clean color. These are items that I'll use for mark making. My butter paste, and then the rest of those are acrylic markers. I have alcohol markers. These are actually paints, watercolor paints, and then I've only got this for this size. There's Distress Oxide and there's Distress Ink, but all of these are the whole line of Distress Oxide and Distress Ink. I got a board, and then lots of these little things, my tech stuff, and then all my watercolor stuff, well, most of my watercolor, and then this whole hodgepodge of I'm sorting out, trying to get things organized. My drawing table, lots of empty boxes because I got some filming to do. I have a new chair coming in. This one hurts me to sit for long. And this is my desk setup. Sorry about the dog in the background. My husband's out plowing the snow. I stole my husband's microphone since he isn't using it. And I got a new setup for it. Yeah, there we go. And there's that right there. All right, so there is where we're at now, and today is January 16th. And no, I did not take you guys along with me on the whole putting this stuff up, because it was a lot of just simply unboxing, looking confused, getting frustrated. It would be hours and hours and hours of basically me sitting here going, I don't know what to do with everything. My downstairs has been ignored because, well, like yesterday, I spent 13 and a half straight hours up here. And I mean straight, like climb out of bed, 6:30, I'm in here in my pajamas working all day until I collapsed last night. Putting furniture together, stacking the furniture, deciding where things were going to go. That is not something you guys want to watch. I don't think you do. But I will at a later date. I have to organize everything. It's chaos right now. So at a later date, I will take you through and we will organize the drawers and, you know, get some things set up. The systems that I've used for years, like my, let me turn you here. My journaling pens, all these right here in this brown box. I got that from Hobby Lobby. It's supposed to actually either be a centerpiece thing or hang up on the wall. I'm not really sure, but it works for all my journaling pens and keeps them upright so I can just grab them as I go. I've even forgone my journaling right now. I haven't kept up with the first of the year, keeping things in order. It is what it is. This year is a really strange one. So my new year will start when probably half the other people have given up on their New Year resolutions, and I'll just be starting. So, all right, onward and upward. I will see you guys on the next little bit of where I'm at with my craft room.